Since childhood only, I have seen lot of toppers videos studying for straight 12 hours, 14 hours, even 17 hours also. So I thought, why not give it a try once? So hello everyone, I am the maths guy, your study buddy, come friend. As an 11th grader, I am also a neat aspirant. As described earlier in this video, today I'll be studying for straight 12 hours with no fake motivation, just constant discipline and consistency. So the current timing is 12:25 as you can see over here, and from now on the grinding starts. I am not gonna lie, today wasn't one of those days I woke up motivated and crushed it days. I actually didn't feel like studying at all, but I had a heavy backlog, and at some point you either keep delaying it or you face it. So yeah, today I tried something I usually don't. I pushed myself to study for 12 hours. Not because I'm super disciplined, not because I'm a topper, but because I have been watching all those 12 to 14 hour study routine videos and somewhere it hit me. If they can sit through it, maybe I can at least try. I started with physics, watched a full lecture, and honestly it was hard to stay focused at first. My mind kept drifting, but I forced myself to sit through it. No shortcuts. After that I jumped into DPP solving, and that's where reality hits. Because watching feels easy, solving doesn't. Got stuck multiple times, made mistakes, but I didn't skip. And I won the battle. But this victory comes at a cost, and the cost was my peaceful and beautiful sleep. So just now I have completed my 2 lectures of physics and I have also solved the DPP. Okay, so the current timing is 3:25 as you can see here, and my day is just getting started and I'm always ready to be grinded. This is where most people quit, but I didn't. This was the time when it was not about motivation, it was just constant discipline, and I just stayed over there. So hi, I think you just can't see me over here. It's almost 4:30 am and I have came to my terrace to enjoy some pleasant weather over here. It's almost stormy weather and the wind is very breezy. Okay, I have came to my terrace to enjoy this weather because study for 12 hours is a very tireful job for me. Given my last board exam, I have not even woken up at 8 am also. So yeah, I have came to my terrace to enjoy this weather, the pleasant time over here. I'm with my mind and my self-belief. After some time, I will go back to my study table and will catch you up in a moment also. So yeah, I'm here only enjoying this moment. Okay, bye. Then came Botany. Same cycle, lecture first, then DPP. Botany is different though, more about understanding plus memory. And again, I wasn't in the mood, not even a little. But I kept reminding myself, backlog doesn't clear itself. Hour by hour, it didn't feel like motivation. It felt like discipline mixed with pressure. This is what consistency looked like, right? Did I enjoy those all 12 hours? No. Was I focused the entire time? Also no. But I showed up. And sometimes that's the only thing that matters. Because real study isn't always aesthetic. It's messy, tiring, and honestly pretty boring sometimes. But today I took one step forward. And if you are stuck with backlog like me, just start. Not perfectly, just start. And then you can see you are progressing. So hi, just now I have taken a bath and I have came to my study table to end this video on a very sweet and peaceful note. Currently the timing is 12:44 as you can see over here, and I'm ending this video now only. Thank you for seeing this video. Till the next video, I'm signing off. Your study buddy, come friend, the mask guy. Bye bye and stay focused, stay healthy.